a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
Shut up!
Okay, so the directions say that you should take...
Yeah, whatever.
Great! You only left me like 2 pills.
Well, I guess one of us is gonna have a way cooler voice for the audition then.
I
searched long and hard for someone to voice the hero, Bafu Hansamu, for my new anime. And who might you be?
Hi, my name is Ian. What the fucking frick? No!
Wow, I have never heard a full-grown man have such a kawaii girl voice. And who might you be?
Hi, I'm Anthony, and holy smokes, I sound like the sexiest, strongest, buffest, blackest man on earth. Excuse me for a moment, kind sirs.
Life is ruined. This was my dream, and my greed has destroyed it. I am so sad.
You don't sound sad.
Can't you see I'm crying tears of sadness? My heart feels like it's going to shrivel up and fall out of my anus. I just want to die.
Okay, you can shut the hell up now.
戻ってきてありがとう。ちょっと違うアニメからのセリフを言ってくれ
Happy to have both of you boys back. To get an idea of your acting ability, I'm going to have you read some famous lines from other animes.
That's right. I am Kira.
I am writing down notes.
The Titans are coming in. Aaron, take Mikasa and run!
I will carry you and run.
Please, just listen to what I say for once. Just one last time.
I am writing down notes.
うるせえってばバカ。
You don't have to translate my actions, you idiot.
だからバカって言ってないよ。やべえでしょが。
You also don't have to translate whatever I say directly to you.
本当にバカでねお前はもう。
Holy shit, you're really dumb. I'm taking notes again. Now we will have you read lines from our totally new original show, Attack on Sailor Death Ball Z, Bebop Alchemist.
What? You guys just took all the names of all the popular animes and just... No matter how far this Death Ball Z takes us, I must still avenge the death of my father, who was killed by Titan-backed dragons!
Dang it, if we don't get into Neo Tokyo before the giant tentacle monsters attack our high school robot slave women, we'll never be able to merge into our final forms. Hentai.
ダメダメ全部ダメ。俺のアニメ道場から
Oh my god! That was the worst reading I've ever heard in my life! Get the f*** out of my anime dojo now!
ひどい俳優。残念だ。あの声は絶対にセクシー。
よかった。ずっとおならしてけた。何かしないと。
Hey, if you give us voice roles for your anime, I'll let you attack my Death Ball Z.
やばい。セクシーレベルが9000以上。
I'm so excited to hear my voice as one of the main characters of Attack on Sailor Death Ball Z, Bebop Alchemist High Scooter.
Yeah, man. Me too.
Come on, Muzaz, let's go kill some mecha dragons!
That's not either of our voices.
According to my calculations, we'll intercept in 5 minutes.
Yo, man, I think your calculations were wrong.
Wait, that's it? We're dead already?
And that was just a freaking squirrel for like 2 seconds?
Awesome!
Yeah, pimping my body out to the director was totally worth it.
Yeah.
Seriously, shut the up.
Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. Click the video on the left to see bloopers and this.
Cake parts. Cake parts.
And click that sexy video on the right to see the series premiere of our anime, Oishi High School Battle.
Annie Dagger! See noodles? Totally normal.
That girl got some nice jubblies.
And click that subscribe button and I will love you forever and ever and
Girl, shut the hell up.